Our company sells products that you need in your daily life. Daily necessities. If you go one day without these products, your quality of life can go down drastically. Some of the products here, like cosmetics, used to be considered luxury products. But how about now? Is it a luxury or a necessity? It's a necessity. My wife and I are late for an arrangement, so I say, eat or put on your makeup, one or the other. We don't have time. What does she do? Does she eat? No, she puts on her makeup. So I realized that for women, cosmetics are more important than food. So we have all these daily necessities like detergent that you cannot live without. So if the quality and price are good, it's guaranteed to sell. I will use Atomy's toothbrush and toothpaste even if I don't become a business person. I will use Atomy's cosmetics, detergents, and other products. Just using their products will benefit me. The quality and price is better than anywhere else. Only those of you who think like that should start the business. Those of you who think like that will become successful. Why? You're confident. You can speak with confidence to anyone. But if you try to sell something that's expensive and poor in quality, you feel embarrassed. You start blaming your husband for your misfortunes. And men start blaming their wives for having to work so hard for little return because they don't contribute. That's what happens when you get rejected while trying to sell that expensive, poor quality product. It's inevitable. But if you sell good products at good prices, you're confident. You can think, there are plenty others. It's your loss if you don't use it. We don't get hurt because we think that we are psychologically superior to them, even if others don't use it. That's why I say, if you think Atomy products are really good and cheap, you should start the business. Also, if you don't like our products after you try it, bring it in. Even if you used half of it, we will pay for it.